nobody was interested in malaria. It only killed 1 million people a year, right? And by nobody, I mean drug companies didn't care, researchers didn't care. So there was malaria, and then with the Army there was dengue, there was leishmania, all these tropical diseases that are really devastating, where there's very little interest. And so we worked in developing vaccine trials for all those 3 diseases. And then the other thing that happened, there were other diseases nobody cared about, or they didn't study. One was ALS, because nothing worked. At that point, there wasn't a group of statisticians that worked in ALS. So there were a bunch of these diseases that were orphan diseases that people didn't care about. And by care about, I mean there was no formal structure to study these diseases in the way there was for cancer and hearts. I kept on getting these orphan diseases. So I built this business, and my 2 older kids were just graduating from college. So I hired one of them, and I hired their friends. We called it the Kid Connection, and that was how the business started. If anybody had told me 10 years before that I would start a business, I would have just laughed.